This dance starts with weight on your left. We're going to do a modified rumba box. So you're going to step to the right, step beside with the left, do a right forward shuffle, step out with the left, step beside with the right, and do a back left shuffle. Then you're going to rock back on your right, recover on your left, and do a half turn shuffle. Rock back on your left, recover on your right, and do another half turn shuffle. Rock back on your right, hitch the left foot up, and then down into a left forward shuffle. Bring that right foot forward into that first right skate, left skate, and you're going to take your right foot, rock, recover. On the and, you're going to do that quarter turn into the one of the dance to start all over again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.